Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a glacial blue metallic paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as heated front cloth bucket seats. We have lane keep assist with departure warning, a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, our Google Assistant infotainment system with our Google Map integration, a powered tailgate, black alloy wheels, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, as well as our rear window lock, some storage and a speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, transfer case settings, as well as our tow and drive mode. Then at the right of that, we have all of our lighting controls, including our exterior and interior display cluster lighting, audio controls down the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster, fully digital and fully customizable. We can see we can adjust everything through the layout, as well as all of our gauges. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, cruise settings on the outside, forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel, paddle shifters behind, and also our audio controls behind. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, the controls for our display cluster information, paddle shifter, and we also have audio controls behind on the right-hand side. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. In our audio, if we hit our FM at the top, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, a USB input, as well as our podcasts and news. We have Google Map integrations, a phone integration, our cameras, which is our backup camera with our hitch and adaptive guidelines, Google Assistant, as well as our Play Store, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer lights. We can control our climate through our screen, as well as our Wi-Fi hotspot, hotkeys down the side for our trailer, phone, maps, audio, and home. Also have a home button and volume control below. Across the bottom, lane keep assist with departure warning, auto stop start, our powered tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, and downhill assist. Have our push to start ignition, an integrated trailer brake controller with our trailer tow package, and a locking rear differential. Heated seat back and seat back and cushion for the driver, and on the other side, the passenger. That's right next to a USB-C and USB input. We have our dual zone front climate control, front and rear defrost, sync, AC. We can control the climate through either side knob, and our fan controls through the center. You can also do it through our infotainment. Just below that, a large storage space, shifter, some more storage, and our 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad in the center of our leather finished center console with some storage on top. You can see our key on top as well, locks and unlocks, remote start, powered tailgate, as well as our alarm system. Opening into our center console, you can see we have some shallow removable storage at the front, deep storage, USB-C, USB, our wireless charger, and a 120 volt plug. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth and is heated for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror, lastly, we have our OnStar settings at the front, dome lights on either side, as well as dome lighting controls at the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, in front of our front door we have our Z71 badging for our off-road package, 2-inch factory lift on the vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors as well as black finished door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging as well as our corner bumper step. All the way around at the back, we have our Silverado and LT badging in chrome, an etched Chevrolet badging. We also have our dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as our trailer tow package, powered liftgate. We also have a lift assist on it, so it's an easy lift as well. In the bed of the truck, we have our cable tie downs, our 120 volt plug, as well as our in-bed lighting. At the back, we have additional cable tie downs and our spray-on Chevtech Bedliner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, some storage, as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders in the back of the center console. Below it are 2 vents, as well as a USB-C and USB input for charging. Moving to our second row seats, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black cloth. To fold up the seats, we can simply lift up on the bottom of them, and we can make some additional storage, and we also have our all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.